Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to create a new file, which will be our pallet or our first blockchain model. And for any blockchain to work, of course, we need something to store user balances, or how much money or how much balance each user has. So let's create this file. I'm going to create a new file here called balances.rs. And I'm going to put this inside this file, create this pub struct called Pallet. And then I'm going to the main file, and I will import these balances. So basically what I am doing here is, let's run this code just to see if it's working. And it's working, it's printing, it's still printing, but it's showing some warnings here. Don't worry, this is expected. What is this warning? This warning is saying that the pallet or the struct that I created into this model is not being used. I just created something that I never used. So basically it's just a warning that this is a useless code. But it's okay. The exercise here is not to write useful code, but to exercise the idea of creating models, to create code in other files, so separate codes in different files, so our code will be very organized in the future. So our main program will have only it will basically import those models and use them instead of like putting all the code in a single file. That's why we created these balances. And particularly this is the file that we just created, and we are going to, in the next lesson, to start implementing the structure of a balance, or the structure, everything we need to store people's balance, or how much money each person has inside this module.